ऑस्ट्रिया यात्रा है भारत के प्रधानमंत्री की, और ये व्यापार वार्ता जो इस बैठक में दोनों देशों के प्रतिनिधिमंडल शामिल हैं, उनके बीच ये व्यापार वार्ता की तस्वीर है, व्यापार बैठक की तस्वीर है। ऑस्ट्रिया की राजधानी वियना में ये बैठक चल रही है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी रूस की 2 दिनों की सफल यात्रा करने के बाद ऑस्ट्रिया की यात्रा पर पहुंचे और उसी दौरान जो प्रधानमंत्री का ऑस्ट्रिया में कार्यक्रम है, उसी में से एक ये महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम जो व्यापार बैठक में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। इस बैठक में दोनों देशों के बीच जो व्यापार वार्ता है भारत और ऑस्ट्रिया के बीच, उसमें कई मुद्दों पर चर्चा, आर्थिक व्यापारिक मुद्दों पर चर्चा, समझौते, सहमति पत्र की संभावना है दोनों देशों के बीच। ऑस्ट्रिया
All right, viewers, India-Austria business meeting taking place. Let's go straight across to my colleague, our senior executive editor, Abhishek Kapoor, who's joining us on the phone line. Abhishek, the next part of PM Modi's visit has begun. He's meeting business leaders from India and Austria.
Well, yes, and I think in many ways Austria is a window or a gateway to the German-speaking part of Europe, in fact, almost entire Central Europe. And there is a history of India with Austria going back to the time that Austria became independent post the World War II in mid-1950s, with then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru playing a role. So I think, and that has been acknowledged in the manner in which the Austrian leadership has really looked up at this visit, because remember, this was also a picture of neglect for a prime minister to be visiting after a gap of 41 years. And now it seems it's being brought back to the kind of balance that should be there, the kind of engagement that should be there. And in the pictures now we are seeing the Chancellor Nehammer and Prime Minister Modi presiding over this business meet, which is a joint business meet, so to say, the business community from both India and Austria participating. There are certain areas in which Austrian business or industry have an expertise, essentially of engineering goods, particularly in the railways, and so there might be some MOUs on that. Also remember, Austria is also headquarters to many of United Nations organizations, including, for example, the UN ODC, including, for example, IAEA, which deals with atomic energy. And so while Austria by itself was not getting the kind of engagement or diplomatic that should have happened with the European capital, Vienna was always an important diplomatic destination for India's diplomatic corps, essentially because of these UN organizations' headquarters being there, a couple of which I named. And in this meeting, as I said, the objective would be obviously to rev up the business side or trade side of the relationship. We have seen pictures earlier of people speaking Sanskrit. There was an orchestra presented before the Prime Minister, which performed the Vande Mataram for him. And so obviously there is this Indo-Germanic languages connect that exists between the two nations. But the trade is woefully low at about $2 billion or maybe less. And that's a paltry figure given the kind of potential that exists. So I think that's the reason why this importance being given to this joint business meeting that's taking place between India and Austria, the Prime Minister visiting Vienna.
Thank you so much for joining us, Abhishek, with those details. Prime Minister Modi having a business meeting. In fact, this is the India-Austria business meeting with both leaders from the world of business in Austria and India. So both leaders, business leaders, are present there, and it's a meeting happening. Let's go ahead, viewers, to all the other stories that we are tracking here at Republic TV.